guys, another day in the Heimlich Hot Rod Garage, and if you watched my last video, I did show a little bit that I had to do this fabrication project, so figured we'll throw a little twist on this and see how many holes a Harbor Freight drill bit will drill. We're going to test this without oil, with oil, and with my drill press, so let's get started here. Alright, so we got ourselves some titanium nitride bits here from Harbor Freight. They're 3/16. I got my jig set up here. These are for hand railing that it's going to have some 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch stainless steel cable running through. So I got 11 cables going through it, 3 inches spacing, and then my 2 bolts that'll be 3/8 that'll be bolted to the fascia. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to drill some of these without oil, and then we'll drill some with oil just to see the difference, and then we'll finish them off obviously with my drill press here that's water cooled. And I have to drill 338 holes, so we'll see how many bits it takes to drill those. And I've already drilled the jig out using my drill press with this bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and drill, put a new bit in there and drill some holes with just a drill, and see how many we can get through without using any oil. Alright, no oil, brand new drill bit, and I'm not going to be drilling through both sides because I'll just flip the jig. I want to make sure these holes are all even. When I use my drill press, it'll drill straight through. But here we go. Well, halfway done with one. Seems to be doing okay. We'll keep going. Alright, well, I hate to say it, but that's it for that one. We had 26 holes and we are 4 shy. So we got through 22 holes before that bit started smoking on us and not cutting anymore. I'm not going to try with oil because the oil I have is really, really good, and I think I might be able to drill through all of them with it, and I don't want to drill them all with a hand drill. I want to do it on my drill press. That's what I got for. So I've drilled 11 holes, no, 13 holes with my drill bit on the drill press right now for the jig. So we'll keep going with that bit that's in there and see if we can get it done. See how many bits it takes us to get through 338 holes minus we just drilled 22. So we got 316 holes still to drill. So let's see if that bit can do it. If we add those other 13 in, that's 326, 27, 28, 29. So that'll be 329 holes. Let's see if that one drill bit can drill all of those, being water cooled with just using old antifreeze out of a car. So let's see how many we can get done. So I just drilled those 4 holes real quick that I had left over, but good way to check my jig accuracy is I'll just go ahead and scoot down to this one that was drilled from both sides. I'm just gonna it's right on, just needed to spin a little bit, so pretty darn close for just flipping the jig. Yeah, that one went right through. Cool. That's close enough for government work, and I'll put a new piece on here and we'll drill all the way through them. Alright, so that's 2 down. This thing drills it like butter. Doesn't even feel it. So, I'll probably spare you guys the time lapse and just fast forward to how many we get done. Alright guys, so last one. Drill bit is still doing strong. So I want you guys to hear it so you can hear what the drill bit sounds like after drilling over 300 holes. She's still a happy drill bit. So you can drill over 300 holes using a Harbor Freight drill bit. You got the right machinery. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this drill test. Show you guys how it works. Let me finish these up and then I'll get to it. Alright, so there we have it, all 13 drilled. So now for the tops up here, I need to weld some little tabs on that we'll bolt the top post to, and we'll go get these all powder coated and then go install them. I have to drill all the bottom holes at 3/8 still. But the main thing was this video was just to show you kind of how the drill press works and how you can drill 300 holes with the one Harbor Freight drill bit there. So what I got is just a bucket here. A little air filter kind of funnels it out there. It's a little milky in there because there's a little bit of transmission fluid on the top that I accidentally spilled in this thing at one point. But for the most part, let me see if I can. Just antifreeze, so all I got in there is a tile saw pump for a tile saw. I ran up here, just kind of got to go throwing through there and through this, and then I had this metal plate that I put underneath here. It's kind of hard to see how I did it. It's in between there. Just drilled a hole and put it in between there, and that catches the water and it funnels down through this hose. But for this big parts I had to do, I just draped this over here to catch the water and funnel it back down in there. But it worked pretty good. I didn't make too big of a mess. So I was running that bit at 1280 RPM, which, let's see, for a 3/16 bit through mild steel, it said 1450, which I was actually going a little slow, which never hurts. Being water cooled, I could have probably gone quicker and actually wouldn't have mattered, but that'll be fine. So it did really good. I'm happy with the product. So when I get these all done, we'll get them powder coated, and then I'll probably put a video of it done at the house in one of my other videos. Just put a quick picture of it. So. All right. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that little video there, quick one. And if you ever want to save your drill bits, just water cool your drill press there. And if you don't have a drill press and you're just using a drill, make sure you use oil, WD-40, transmission fluid, anything you can find to keep that drill bit cool, because that's going to save that drill bit's life. So that's all I got for today, and hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, hit that button, share. Thanks for coming. Got my new kicks on.
That's enough.
That's enough.